Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Petite-Vallée is a charming little village on the northeastern coast of Quebec, in the stunning Gaspé Peninsula. The name, Petite-Vallée, means little valley, and it perfectly describes this peaceful community, nestled in a shallow valley by the sea. Petite-Vallée is surrounded by breathtaking landscapes, from rugged cliffs and lush forests to the vast Gulf of St. Lawrence. You can enjoy hiking, birdwatching, or simply soaking up the natural beauty of the area. The coastline is especially mesmerizing, offering stunning views of the water and opportunities for quiet reflection. Thanks for joining us as we explore this hidden gem of the Gaspé Peninsula.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!